Hello guys, welcome to my channel today. So in today's tutorial guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create a book cover for free on Amazon. Free. You don't even need to have any skills at all. You just need to be ready to do it and follow the steps I'm going to be showing you in this video. You're going to be creating a book cover for free on Amazon. Guys, let's get started. It's very easy. I don't want to waste your time. In just 5 minutes you're going to be creating a book cover and you don't even need to pay a dime. You just need to open your Amazon Kindle account and get started right away. So let's get started. Book cover. After this we're going to be uploading the book cover. So guys, it's very easy. All you need to do is to get a picture that speaks about your book title, a picture that speaks about your book idea. That's all you need if you're going to be using this Amazon Kindle ebook cover creator to create a book cover, guys. So we are going to be creating a book cover with this Amazon Kindle cover creator. So let's launch the cover creator. Then we're going to look for a picture that talks about Mediterranean diet. So guys, I'm going to be dropping a link for another website where you can get Splash. What you can get, you can see, this is it, where you can get freely usable images with high resolution for free. Like, they are free, but they are high quality images and they don't have copyright issues. So I'm going to search for Mediterranean diet. And voila, this is beautiful. I'd love to use this, but I always see this kind of images on Amazon, so I'm not going to be using this. So let's go for this. Yeah, I think let's choose this. So we're going to download. We're going to click the download button. We're going to download the image. So I've downloaded the image. So we're going to go back to Amazon because we need to upload the image into the Kindle cover creator. As you can see, how to use Kindle cover creator. So now we're going to be uploading images from our computer. Downloads. I'm going to be looking for the image. I don't really know where it is, so I'm going to have to let these images load so I can take a look at them. I don't know where it is and I don't know the name. Let me check for the name. I don't think okay, the name is Sam Mo Koda. Okay, Sam, that should be S. Okay, I think this is it. This is it. So we're just going to upload it. As you can see, Amazon has tons of templates here waiting for you. All you just need is a picture to fit in. And you design, you give it your book title, subtitle, and your name, and boom, you are done. Instead of having to pay a designer $10, $20 to create one for you. Voila. As you can see, you just have to do is to pick anyone you love. You can see I could pick this, I could pick anyone with this, and when I choose them I get to rewrite how my title looks, how my subtitle look. I get to give it different colors. So I think I should choose this for now. What do you think, guys? I think I should choose this. Let me choose this. It's loading, guys. Okay. You can see you can always change the interface. For example, now look at this. I can change it. I can shift it in like this. You can see it's very easy. Amazon is very easy. Amazon makes everything easy for us, guys. Amazon has made everything easy, like ABC. Then I click on this. I'm trying to bold it, so to me I could give it another color. I could give it black if I wanted to. Let me give it black so you can see what I'm talking about. Boom, that's my black. You can see a complete beginner guide. I think that black looks good, so I'm just gonna leave it at black. It looks good. Should I change this to black too? I think so. Let me change this to black too. Material type. I think this looks nice, so I'm just gonna preview. I'm gonna preview it. To be 100% sure it looks nice, then I'm gonna save and submit. It's loading. We're gonna be building our cover for us, and voila, it's done. You can see. Then I click on save and submit. And that's all, guys. As easy as ABC. That's how you can create a Kindle cover on Amazon Kindle in few minutes, guys. You can see it's very easy, and you have any proud to graphic design skills to get it done. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3, guys. So guys, don't forget to subscribe button below and smash the bell icon, so whenever I drop a new video, guys, you'll be one of the first people to view the video, guys. So thank you, guys. Thank you once again.